Hi, my name's Keith Cooper of Northlight Images. This is a Canon G550. In fact, it is the same G550 that I tested quite a few years ago now during lockdown. And it's when I did a review of it, and I produced some profiles to get round the fact that Canon don't make Mac printer drivers for it. You have to use AirPrint, which is useless. But I got it back, partly because we're doing a load of work around the house, and as part of the agreement of Karen's sister bringing around a load of stuff for here, this came back. Where's it been? Well, it was lent to my nephew to go to university. It got used a bit, then COVID struck and things were closed down. This printer has not been used for well over 3 years. I started it up, it didn't make any odd noises or anything like that, popped some paper in it and ran a print through it, and yeah, there was a nozzle check of sorts, an awful lot of, of inks missing, and I looked at it and opened it up, and it still remembered the wireless network from before, from all those years ago. And here we have one ink tank printer. There's a black ink, a grey ink, red ink, and then the cyan, magenta, yellow inks. What I found when I looked inside, and I really should have looked inside first, was that the pipework here that connects the print head to the reservoirs was empty. That meant that the ink that had come through on this print here was nothing more than just what happened to be left in the print head. Where it had gone, turns out there is a little shipping lever here. There's a note here saying you should do it if not using the printer. It hadn't been done. So this has been left lying around for 3 years with in its non-shipping condition. Checked this. I tried a cleaning, nothing much happened. There is an option in the driver to do an ink recharge. Now, it says it's going to use a lot of ink, and yeah, it probably used about 15–20% of the ink. Now, these inks were still pretty full. I suspect these are the same inks that I filled it up with years ago. They hadn't dried out or anything. What I would suggest is lifting these little caps here, but have some tissue paper or something around, because you may get a pop and a few splashes of ink come out of it. Anyway, that was done. I ran the recharge cycle, and then after I'd run the recharge cycle, another nozzle check, and we have a complete nozzle check with no heads blocked, no nothing. So there we go. It's used up a bit of ink in the process, but effectively this printer has been left doing nothing for 3 years. I didn't know it was there. I thought it had disappeared when my nephew went to university, and never seen it anymore. I was not expecting to get it back, but now I've got it back, I'm going to do some experiments with it. So if anyone has any questions relating this printer to this, I may make 1 or 2 more profiles to work on Macs for it, but equally I've downloaded a version of PrintFab software, and this is a third-party driver that works on Macs and Windows, works on Unix systems or Linux systems as well. And here we have the test sheet from this using the PrintFab driver. Now, because it's an entirely different driver, and you can even drive this as a CMYK printer, because it's an entirely different driver, profiles do not work. So you can't use any profiles you've got. So my workaround profiles won't work with it. Proper profiles that you might use on a Windows PC won't work with this. However, it prints very nicely, and the test print here came out great. This is just on plain paper. So I will have a look at this if anyone's got any questions. Anyone uses PrintFab and has any observations about it, please do let me know, because it's not a print driver I've used. It's a print application that has color management in it and various other things. But here we have one A4 size ink tank printer from Canon that works perfectly well. So if somebody says they've got one of these and it hasn't been used for several years, well, who knows, you might be able to get it working pretty easily. It's fine here. So there you go. I say questions most welcome as to what to do with it. I will be doing some testing. I won't be doing a lot of testing because I've got a book to finish writing and a deadline is looming. So just a few bits and pieces. But yeah, grey, black, red, cyan, magenta, yellow, all firing perfectly well. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.